Hey, what's up guys, it's Sam from BSC Tech, and in today's video I will quickly explain how you can make custom ringtones and transfer them on your iPhone or iOS devices. The process is super easy. On my right side is an iPad Air 2. As you can see in the ringtone section, there is no custom ringtones. It's a standard stock ringtones, and I will be adding one custom ringtone. There are plenty of ways you can download and create your custom ringtones. You can download from different online outlets or websites, or you can create your own. We're not going into details on how to make one. So the things you need is an iPhone or an iPad, a USB cable, and 3U tools, and that's it. You're done with that. First of all, download, install, and launch 3U tools. Then connect your iPad with your computer, and once connected, go into the ringtone sections. You have plenty of options here. You can go and download from the download section as well, but since we are transferring a custom ringtone or song, and for that reason we will be going into our download folder where our ringtones are located. Simple step, just one click and you are done with that. All you have to do is to pick one ringtone and drop it in this section, and as you can see, the file transfer is in process depending on the size of the ringtones or media files. And as soon as this is done, you will see that the file is imported to your iPhone or iOS devices. And now we will open this area, and as you can see that we have this file which we transfer from our PC to our iPad. So that was it for today's video guys, and that's how you can transfer files and make them ringtones or notification tones, or you can set them as a custom ringtone for different apps, for example WhatsApp and other messengers. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any feedback or comments, do let us know in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.